Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Attiya Rehman and I am working as an English teacher at Divisional Public School and College, Sahiwal. I welcome you all in today's online English class of our new academic session. We are going to read the story Dorothy Meets the Scarecrow in our today's lesson, and we will be reading half of the story today. Before we start the lesson, let me share the objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to read the story with correct pronunciation, you will be able to understand the story, and you will be able to know the meanings of the difficult words. Before we start the reading of our story, I would like to share what the story is actually about. The story that we are going to read today is taken from a children's novel, and the name of the novel is The Wonderful Wizard of Oz. In the novel, Dorothy is a young girl who lives with her uncle and aunt in Kansas. Toto is her pet dog. One day, a cyclone strikes Kansas. साइक्लोन हवा का एक तूफान होता है जिसमें हवा गोल गोल चक्कर में घूमती है और अपने अंदर आने वाली हर चीज को अपने साथ उड़ाकर ले जाती है। ऐसा ही एक तूफान कैंसस में भी आया। Dorothy and Toto could not go anywhere so they hide in the house. The cyclone carries the house away for a long journey. When the house finally lands, Dorothy finds herself in a land of strange people called Munchkins. She tells them that she wants to go back to her home in Kansas. So the Munchkins tell her to go to the Wizard of Oz, who lives in the Emerald City. He might help her to go back to her home. So Dorothy packs some bread in a basket and starts walking towards the Emerald City with her dog Toto. So, इससे हमें पता चला कि डॉरथी कौन है और वो अपने घर से दूर किस तरह पहुंच गई। यहाँ से आगे हम वो स्टोरी रीड करेंगे जो कि हमारे सिलेबस का पार्ट है। In this lesson, Dorothy will meet a friend, the Scarecrow, who will also accompany her and Toto to the Emerald City. He also wants to meet the Wizard of Oz because he wanted to ask him for some brains. So इस स्टोरी में हमें पता चलेगा कि स्केयरक्रो कौन है, वो डॉरथी के साथ क्यों गया और वो विज़र्ड ऑफ ऑज से क्यों मिलना चाहता है। So let's start reading. Dorothy walked along the road. It was made of yellow bricks. When she had gone some miles, she needed to rest. She climbed to the top of the fence beside the road and sat down. Her dog, Toto, was also tired. He lay down on the ground by the fence. There was a large cornfield on the other side of the fence, and in the field there was a scarecrow. So as you can see in the picture, Dorothy is sitting on the fence. Toto and Dorothy's basket is also there on the road, and there is the scarecrow in the cornfield. आपको पता है scarecrow क्या करता है? आए हम आगे रीड करते हैं और उससे हमें पता चलेगा कि scarecrow क्या करता है। Dorothy gazed at the scarecrow. Its head was a small sack stuffed with straw. Its face was painted on the sack. It had an old pointed blue hat on its head. On its body, it wore a blue suit of faded clothes, which had also been stuffed with straw. On the feet were some old boots. The scarecrow was tied to a tall pole. It was there to scare the birds and stop them from eating the ripe corn. So as you can see in the picture, Scarecrow is all stuffed with straw. Straw मतलब सूखी घास। उसके सर पे टोपी है, उसने कपड़े पहन रखे हैं और वो सब के सब घास से भरे हुए हैं. And why he is there in the cornfield? He is there to scare the birds ताकि वो कॉर्न को ना खाएं. Now we will check the meanings of some difficult words and we'll see how they are pronounced. The first word is fence. Fence, a barrier or railing of wood or wire enclosing an area. As you can see in the picture, there is a fence of wood around an area. किसी भी इलाके की हदूद मुकर्रर करने के लिए उसके गिर्द लकड़ी, तार या जाली का जो जंगला लगाया जाता है उसे फेंस कहते हैं. The second word is gazed. Gazed. Gazed means look steadily. As you can see in the picture, the meaning is gazing at something. किसी चीज को गौर से देखना. The third word is stuffed. Stuffed. Fill tightly with something. किसी भी चीज को किसी और चीज से भरना. जैसे तकिए में रुई भरी जाती है या स्केयरक्रो में स्ट्रॉ भरा जाता है. As you can see in the picture, the father and the son are stuffing the jeans with straw. Next word is faded. Faded. Faded means gradually getting dim. आहिस्ता आहिस्ता हल्का हो जाना, खास तौर पर रंग का. जैसे कि आप पिक्चर में देख सकते हैं, जीन्स के कुछ पार्ट्स का कलर फेड हो चुका है, यानी वहां से कलर डिम हो चुका है. So the color has faded. The next word is scare. Scare. Scare means to frighten. Derana. As you can see in the picture, the cat is scaring the pigeon. I hope you have understood the meanings of the difficult words and the way they are pronounced. Now let's move on with the story. While Dorothy was looking at the painted face of the Scarecrow, she was surprised to see one of the eyes slowly wink at her. She thought she must have imagined it. Then the Scarecrow nodded its head to her in a friendly way. Dorothy climbed down from the fence and walked up to it. Toto ran around the pole and barked. "Good day," said the Scarecrow. "You didn't just speak, did you?" asked the girl in wonder. "Certainly," answered the Scarecrow. "How do you do?" "I'm pretty well, thank you," replied Dorothy politely. "How do you do?" "I'm bored," said the Scarecrow. "It is very dull being stuck up here night and day to scare away crows." "Can't you get down?" asked Dorothy. "No, this pole is stuck up my back. Please help get down." Dorothy reached up both arms and lifted the Scarecrow off the pole. He was quite light because he was only stuffed with straw. She set him down on the ground. "Thank you very much," said the Scarecrow. "I feel much better." Dorothy was so surprised to hear a straw man speak. The Scarecrow stretched and yawned. "Who are you?" asked the Scarecrow, "and where are you going?" "My name is Dorothy," said the girl, "and I am going to the Emerald City. I am going to ask the Great Oz to send me back home to Kansas. Now, let's check the meanings of some difficult words and see how they are pronounced. The first word is wink. Wink. Wink means to blink or close and open one eye. As you can see in the picture, the face is winking. The next word is nodded. Nodded. Nodded means move the head up and down to greet or to show understanding. As you can see in the picture, the mouse is nodding his head. The next word is stretched. Stretched. Stretched means extend one's body to its full length. As you can see in the picture, the baby is stretching his arms. The last word is yawned. Yawned. Yawned means open mouth wide to inhale deeply due to tiredness. As you can see in the picture, the man is yawning. So, this was all for our today's lesson. I hope you have understood the story well and also known the meanings of the difficult words along with their correct pronunciation. Now, we will have a quick review of today's lesson. For this, we have some MCQ type questions. The first question is, Toto is a blank, and the options are cat, dog, rat. The correct option is dog. The second question is, the road was made of blank bricks, and the options are yellow bricks, red bricks, or black bricks. The correct answer is yellow bricks. The third question is, the scarecrow was standing in the blank field. The correct options are apple field, wheat field, cornfield. The correct answer is cornfield. The next question is, blank winked at Dorothy. The options for this question are Toto, crow, scarecrow. The correct option is scarecrow. The last question is, the scarecrow was light because it was stuffed with blank. The options for this question are corn, straw, grass. Yes, you're right. The correct answer is straw. I'm sure you have understood the lesson very well. Now it's time for homework. As we have read the lesson today, so what you're going to do is, you're going to read the lesson by yourself and practice the pronunciation and spellings of the difficult words. That's all from my side today. Thank you for joining me. Allah Hafiz.